is Tatiana Skarabagate, and I'm a domain lead for commercial applications within Teijin Aramid. Commercial applications, it's marketing, sales, supply chain planning, and logistics. And also myself, I am product owner for supply chain planning in Teijin Aramid. Teijin Aramid is an international company that produces fiber material that is used in car tires, in bulletproof vests, in aerospace, and there are so many other applications of this material. We are using two applications from DELMIA Quintiq. We are using demand planner for forecasting, and also we are using supply macro planner for production planning on all the levels. So from daily operations, midterm strategy, and also long-term goals. The main benefits of Quintiq application is that it automates our planning processes, releasing time for critical decision making, and it also, of course, helps us to serve our customers better and keep our costs low. Moreover, it also increases the efficiency of collaborating within a team. We're happy customers, happy users of Quintiq.